Morning guys! Kamusta kayo? Vlog muna tayo, kahit short vlog lang. Dumulas sa kamay ko yung phone ko, so bumagsak dun sa reservoir ng tubig. Hindi sa pinaka-open yung phone ko, ayan, dead. Oh. Pag minamalas ka nga naman. Anyway, sabi nung kaibigan ko na ito, pupuntahan ko para dun ipa-repair sa shop niya. So may dalawa siyang shop. Saktong-sakto, itong shop na isa is malapit. Medyo malapit sa akin at dito na lang ako magpapagawa sa kanila. Ito na, si Boss Rain. Siya ang may-ari ng wireless repair shop. So sa mga tiga Vegas na naghahanap ng repair shop, hindi lang kayo basta cellphone, no?
And electronics pare. Mga electronics, camera, tablet, computer, cellphone,
TV.
computer. TV used to, not anymore. Headphones, anything.
Ayan. So ito yung iPhone 12 natin Pro. Yun na, bibigyan
Pro
natin
Max,
kayo.
yeah.
Nag-slip sa hands ko eh.
Pero nag-on pa rin.
Yan, nag-on siya. Pero white lang yung background. Baka gawin mong iPhone 14 Pro yan, pre, ha?
Gawin natin mga 17 Pro Max. Upgrade.
So pag dito ay nagpagawa, kung iPhone 10 lang kayo, makapaging 17.
Baka pagbalik, iba na.
Sige bro, yan na
Sige,
lang.
sige.
Okay. Thank you. Grabe.
Employee
Sabi
ko
niya-
mga 30-45 minutes.
Ibang klase.
Sanay na yun.
Mas mga ilang, ano ba to? Mga, gano'n nakatagal yung shop mo?
Ito since 2009.
2009.
Yeah, during recession. Yung isa 2014. Yeah. So matagal na.
Ang galing. Yan. Napakalupit ni Idol.
Dati, pag nag-open ka ng business, it's very hard. And I started when I was young. I started when I was 20 years old.
Ganito ka ngayon.
34. Yeah.
Ako pala.
Yeah.
Okay guys, sabi sa inyo eh. Meron na akong kasama, 34 years old, milyonaryo. Kaya wag na kayo mag-flex.
Nakachamba lang. Sa'yo, di ba, nagbablog ka?
Oo.
You have to have consistency and hard work. Kahit nobody's watching,
Oo.
or nobody's liking, you gotta keep posting.
Pare, libangan ko lang naman. So alam mo yun. Pag tumanda ako, ay sisibihin ko, ay ganyan ako nung bata ako, ganyan.
You can always look back, Yeah, that's the good thing about social media nowadays. You can always look back. Your growth, your previous past, what you used to know. It's pretty good. It depends on how you use it.
Ano yung ma-advise mo sa mga nag-start negosyo kahit na sabihin natin na alam mo yung puhunan is minsan problema talaga ang pera, di ba? Para mamuhunan. Pero kung talagang gusto mo may mangyari sa'yo, kahit maliit yung puhunan, alam mo yun, di ba? Paano ka ba nag-start? May puhunan ka na ba?
Nag-start ako mag-work mga 13 construction eh.
Okay.
Yeah, tapos sideline. Tapos apprentice ako dati, mga 16 years old. Nag-apprentice ako. So from 16 to 19, I was saving every dime. You know, every dime that I get. I used to get paid $7 per hour and I work weekends, Saturday, Sunday for free. You know, but I had to do any of that. But when you have desire and you have goals, that every dime, I knew it. I was telling everyone I was gonna open my business at 20.
Pero bro,
no one believes you.
Para maniwala sila, hindi ikaw yung talagang mayaman na. Ibig sabihin talagang from the ground. I mean,
No, from the ground. I have no rich parents, no hands out.
yan.
My first car was 1986 and no engine, no wheels. It was on the bricks. You know, I was building the car. I was also in cars. And you just gotta put every dime on the side and start investing if you have a dream.
Yan ang mga negosyante. Yung mindset talaga, malupit.
You know, wala yun. Motivation. Especially, syempre, 1 year, 2 years ka na in business. You're losing money. You don't know how to pay bills. And no one is supporting you. It's very hard. When no one is supporting you, when no one is clapping for you, you have to learn how to clap for yourself. You know? Napakahirap nun. Pero through the process and progress, makakamit ka ng mga katulad mo. Supportive, di ba? Mga ganyan. Hindi mo inaakala na, oh shit, you know, yung tropa ko.
Toilet.
Yeah, nalaglag yung toilet, nasa utak niya ako.
Tama rin naman yun.
Diba?
Bigla tama alala, tama.
But you have to keep doing it, you know? So everyone knows.
Yeah. Yung suporta talaga.
Mahirap, lalo na sa Filipino community rin kasi minsan, alam mo ng mga Pilipino eh. Puro discount or if not puro discount.
Oy, wala akong binanggit to, wala rito.
Ito, never nag-ASEAN. Full price. If that's your friend, pay them full price.
Tama yan. Sige. Guys, thankful tayo, may mga kaibigan tayong ganito na nakilala na talagang ayan, may mga shop na ganito. So, andito tayo sa Vegas, may masira sa inyo electronics like ayan na, iPhone, iPad, Nintendo Switch. Ayun, sinabi naman yung mga nare-repair niya. Dito na kayo sa iWireless Repair. Yan, para hindi kayo maloko sa iba. You know? Tapos banggatin yung pangalan ko. Ayun, kilala. Hindi, wala discount. Hindi, walang ganon. Pero basta guarantee ko sa inyo, hindi kayo lolokohin, saka tama yung ginagawa niyang pag-repair. Yan. Okay.
If, you know, other shop, if you need warranty, like, oh, it's kind of hard to get warranty. For me, I am the warranty. I know you. What am I gonna do?
Yun, gano'n ang warranty natin. Yun guys, working na. Okay. Kitang-kita na
Mas
lahat.
mahaba pa yung vlog sa repair.
Ayos. Itong una, saan to? Location?
Itong una sa Spring Mountain, 3735 Spring Mountain Road, sa katabi ng Starbucks tsaka sa Subway, dito sa Spring Mountain in Valley View. Yung isa, 4911 Alta Drive, katabi ng Ross, sa next to Arizona Charlie's Casino.
Yung second one?
Yeah.
Yan. Basta,
Support kayo dyan, ha?
basta pag may mga i-repair kayo, pinakita ko naman lahat na. Okay, hindi ko na uulitin.
Camera, tablet, computer, cellphone.
Yun. Thank you.
iPad, anything.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you, guys.
Hanggang dito na lang. Okay na.